Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So my baby been gone for like a week. No, actually he was gone for like a couple of days, but now he's back and time for me to go hang out with him, because that's what I do. So if you want to see what look I create, what look I come up with, you already know what to do. Keep on watching. If I was massive, supernatural, keep it factual, know your maximum bad. Look at the way I feel like I'm on the side. Okay, so I'm not sure what. I think I need to do something kind of simple. I should have literally planned this before I sat, but I haven't done a purple look in a minute. So let's do a little purple situation. Let's use Petri this purples from Plain Makeup by Yolondo. And first let's go in with 214, and I'm gonna go, these shades don't have names unfortunately, so we're gonna go into this shade right here, and I'm just gonna put it like tight, like right here. Just right here. I think I want to do an all matte look today. I don't do the matte looks very often, like all matte. I usually like put a shimmer in my inner corner, but we're not gonna do that today. We're not gonna do this. So what I do is for you to get this blend is, so I apply the foundation and I switch my brush to the side that has like no shadow, and I just like, but then if I want to go back and do like a little more, then I put the side that actually has the shadow, because this shade is actually pretty dark. So, and then I flip like this, and then I just like this part, I'm holding my brush all the way to the end right here, and I just like kind of flicker in like so. Okay, now I'm gonna use this brush. This is from Luxie, and it's a large shader brush. I'm gonna go into this shade right here, which is the lighter shade, and I'm just gonna put it like right here. Just right here. This will work. This is a what? A 421 M421 from Morphe. And then I'm gonna put this right here. Just to kind of break this really dark shade right here. So I think I lost a little bit of my really dark shade, and I'm just gonna like so. Now I did something to gonna blend these two shades together. So we're gonna use this brush, maybe not. Yeah, this is a T45 from Makeup Shack, and I'm gonna go into this shade right here, and I'm just gonna use this to like right here. Like right here. Giving a little blendy. Because you want to make sure everything looks nice. And now I'm going to go back into that light shade. And let's fit this some more. And then back to that purple. Guys, don't be scared to, you know, go back until you get, you know, your desired fade. Okay, perfect. So that's it. I'm gonna go off camera. I'm gonna do my other eye and I'll be right back. Right back. Okay, so we're back and time to talk about this foundation. So we're gonna talk about Miss Ultra Youthful Glow Foundation Serum Drop. That is a mouthful. So let's go ahead and prime the face. I'm using my Eborian primer. And put it here. Oh, let's put this over here. Nice. Where did I put this? Okay, so let's give it a little shake, shake, shake. I hate this like thingy that's like around. Ugh, so annoying. This is quite watery. And let's see. Oh, it's a squeezy. I mean, they did say that. So you're just gonna press it like this. Okay, this feels like nothing. I'm trying to find a concealer. Let's use this. This is from ABH. I'm gonna use this from Pretty Makeup by not Pretty Makeup. Makeup by Mario, and it is the Soft Sculpt Transforming Skin Enhancer. And then I'm already almost done using this then. I think I'm gonna need another one soon. Just gonna go in here. So this is like, my shade is dark, or that's the shade I have. This is one of the easiest contour I have ever blended. I like Tanto as well, but Tanto I know can be intimidating because when you first put it, it's just like, it's so dark. But this is like the best. So see, just blend. Now look at this. See, just giving a little bit of sculpt. I don't know. I think I'm gonna have to go heavy with my powder, because if not, my face, I feel like my face is just gonna. See, like I'm already creasing right here. This is not gonna end well for all parties involved. So let's blend my concealer. Go. Gonna blend everything. More like the edges. Just gonna blend. Like so. Perfect. Perfect. These are so These are the 40 ounce Stanley quenchers. Whenever I put stuff in there, I feel like I'm drinking 4 hours, but that's not my way here. But I like it. I like it a lot. So let's go in with some Rare Beauty Love. Is that what? Yeah, that's the shade. That's my favorite one right here. I put a little bit on the nose. That might be too much, but we're just gonna go for it. Just a little bit on the tip of the nose. Make me look, you know, Rudolph-esque. Rudolph-esque. That's good. Let me go back to my concealer brush a little bit. No, I'm gonna go in with my sponge, and is that my #1 powder? Yep, this is from Charlotte Tilbury. Oh my god, this is like, what is this doing? I just want just a little bit, just to kind of set this. like so. That's it, nothing crazy. And then now I'm gonna go into my Huda Beauty, and this is banana bread. And this is just also my Charlotte Tilbury, but this one is just a number 2, like my actual shade. Oh, whew. What is happening here?
Then we're going to take 2 cans of cranberry sauce.
Okay. Wait a minute. Just what's happening here?
I'm gonna use this silver. This is Cuff from Urban Decay. This is just gonna break this down. So it's not super dark, you know. And now let's go back to this. I'm gonna go to that really dark shade just for the end. And this is on a P107 from Plain Makeup by Yolondo. I'm just gonna put it right here. Whew. So I do have some fallout, which I'm expecting because this shade is dark. And then we're gonna go into that. I'm kind of mimicking the same thing I did with it. So that this purple right here. Like so, and then where's the brush? Oh, that piece of brush that I had. I literally just had it. Maybe I need to throw it away, that's why. But that's fine, because now I just need to go in my inner corner, put another put that light shade down. I literally just had the thing. So that light blue and then or purple, and we're just gonna put it right here. And I am done with this, done with this. Oh. So this is Charlotte Tilbury lip cheat. So let's do this one. It's like a brown. I don't want to use something like crazy bright. Maybe this. This is what Mood from Dose of Colors. And this is from Plain Makeup by Yolondo, and it's nude. I'm just gonna put that in the center. C'est bon. Okay, now let's jump into fixing the face. And my face is fine, but let us go ahead and do the face. Finish up the face. So let us go in with this. I'm gonna use this shade right here, and this is a Even Tails brush 72 from Sephora. Yep. And blush. Let's use this blush palette. I feel like I'm mixing these two pinks. So it's Sugar Crush and Candy. Woo, 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 woo. I think I want a little bit heavy. A little bit heavy while I, you know, continue going heavy. And let's go ahead and use this. This is ABH and Nicole Guerrero. This is actually old. I don't even think they make this anymore. But I have it. I'm finishing it. Okay, so that's it guys for this look. I really like how this look came out. So everything did, you know, just looks amazing. I think eyes kind of bold, but you know, the usual. So yeah, so that's it for this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, join the family, and you know what, I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.